Hey everyone, I'm Hannah and this is a monthly thrift haul video where I'm going to show you everything I thrifted in the month of June. If this is your first time on my channel, then I would highly recommend that you subscribe and hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss any more thrifty fashion videos from yours truly. So my last official thrift haul video was in March, and at that point I was like, I don't know what the future of thrift is going to be like. And now we are literally living in the future of thrift. So this is what the future of thrift is like for me. Everything I bought this month is from online. I think there's 4 different places. So 4 different places to shop. Let's check them out. The first place I'm going to talk about is Thredup, which if you don't know, it's the largest online consignment store, and I've actually been a buyer and a seller there since 2014. And as of April, I am officially a partner with Thredup, which means that they send me some credit every month to shop on their website. I always want to make sure that I'm very transparent when I have partnerships or sponsorships or collaborations, so that is the money involved. It's store credit, and these are the things that I bought with store credit this month. First up is a pink shirt. Oh, I have a type. Technically, the shirt that I'm wearing is coral, and this one is very much hot pink. Plus, I really like the details on it. So it's got these scallop sleeves and a little scalloped headline. So like most of you, thrifting in person will always be number one to me because you can go, you can look, you can touch, you can try on. Well, you can't try on yet, but some stores you might be able to try on. But the thing that I have always loved about thrifting online is that you can specifically look for what you want. I'm the kind of person that I have a thrifting wish list, and I talk about this all the time, and I will have a link down below to my thrifting wish list. It's on Pinterest so everybody can see it. And normally when you're thrifting in person, you have to go store to store to store. It could take years to find those like specific items that you're looking for. But the thing about online shopping is you have access to a whole bunch of different websites and so many different individual sellers, and you can narrow down exactly what you're looking for. And so I love that everything in this haul, not just the shirt, but everything from Thredup to all the other places that I bought from, I was able to find things from my wish list. So I didn't buy any unnecessary things. These are all pieces that I have been looking for a really long time. Because I'm saving so much money, I'm able to kind of splurge on them online, except for the Thredup things because, you know, like I said, those were credit, but you know, it still feels like a splurge to me. I kind of just wanted to get that out of the way, and now I want to show you another item because it is also from my thrifting wish list. Well, everything's in my thrifting wish list. But let's look at the next thing. So while we've been in lockdown, self-quarantine, whatever you call it, I've been really reevaluating my style, which I think a lot of people have. You know, like shuffling my closet around, just figuring out what I want to wear. And I found I'm a moto jacket person. I want a closet full of rainbow moto jackets, so I'm slowly starting to do that. So on Thredup, I found it's this cognac colored moto jacket. And I wasn't sure about this one because like my ideal moto jacket is like faux leather, vegan leather, that kind of stuff. And this one is cotton. I thought that sounds very interesting. Once I got it, I really love it. It feels really good. It's gonna hold its shape, which that was the thing that was kind of worrying me, that is it gonna hold its shape, because I don't want to have to steam or iron stuff. So if any of you are also in the market for a moto jacket and you don't want a faux leather one and you want to have one like this is Old Navy brand, so maybe do an online search for that. Next from my thrifting wish list is leopard print. I love leopard print, and I've noticed that I don't actually have a lot of it in my closet. It's all in accessories, so I'm like, I need to remedy that. So the thing that I thought of was just a leopard print t-shirt, and I found like the best leopard print t-shirt. This is like the softest material. It reminds me of, I have this band t-shirt that's always my favorite because it's so soft and it's like so broken in, just like my voice just broke. I already wore it in the real world and I got a few compliments on it, so that was awesome. Plus, it matches the face mask that I'm wearing whenever I go out in public. The last thing that I got from Thredup, it's kind of an interpretation of something from my thrifting wish list. So I'm looking for sequins, if I don't have enough. But actually, most of the sequins that I have in my closet are black, and so I'm trying to find lighter colored sequins, like silvers and gold. So I had on my list that I wanted like a gold sequin t-shirt, and I came across this, which I actually think is better. And it is this light colored sequin dress. It's kind of like a mini dress, kind of a tunic. I can get away with it as a dress. And it's got short sleeves, kind of this oversized shape. I just think it is so fun, and it's like 100% stretchy. It's probably the most comfortable sequin dress I have ever owned. I also think the sequins are really interesting. They're not like big loose sequins. I'll try to get a close-up for you. They're like stitched down, so they ain't going nowhere. After I'm done filming this, I have a dog birthday party to go to, so maybe I'll wear this. So the next place that I went thrifting online was Instagram. There is this really great online seller. She has her own storefront and she sells on Instagram. It's As If Vintage, and I have been following her for a couple years now, and she likes to do these little flash sales. And my sister wanted a few items from the flash sale, so me and her were both sitting in front of our devices stalking the sale, and we ended up getting 3 things. Well, I got 3 things. I gave them to my sister as a gift. I'm gonna show them on the screen. They're all PageMaster items, and you know they are gonna end up in her toy room, which I just did a video on a few videos back. It's an 80s and 90s toy room tour collection. It's pretty awesome. And Karen was so cool. She sent along this little gift package, which I believe everybody gets when they buy from her, and it's just got some fun stuff in it. And I'm going to open it up in an Instagram IGTV video. IGTV, there we go. So head over there, the link is down below. After you're done watching this video, go over and I will open this up in a little bonus video. The next place I'm going to talk about is Depop, which Depop is an online platform where people like you and me can just sell our stuff. It's a lot like Poshmark, a little different. I'm actually going to be writing a blog post about the differences coming up soon. But first, let's see what I got from Depop. I've been stalking many items on Depop, but this one has been on my thrifting wish list for a very long time. Oh, probably 3, 4, 5 years. It is a transparent raincoat. And it's funny, as I'm talking about this, I hear thunder outside. I did not know it was gonna rain today, so maybe I need to just like run outside real quick in this jacket and test it out. So I've been watching a lot of transparent jackets online over the years, and what sold me on this one was the piping is white, so I feel like it's more neutral. It can go with any of my outfits. And it has pockets, and it has a hood, it has a zipper, it has buttons up the front. It is like a multifunctional jacket, plus the price was amazing. I have never seen a transparent coat go for so low. The seller was very nice, and I will be sure to give her a shout out down below if you want to look at her closet. Now, the last place I'm going to talk about is Poshmark, which I have been on there for a few years now, and I'm surprised I only have 2 things to show you this month. So actually, the one thing I bought in the beginning of quarantine, so like back in March or April, it is an apron, and I'm kind of ashamed to show you because it's not washed and has avocado all over the stomach. But it's a really cute apron. I'm going to show the picture of the apron because that's a better representation of it. So I have been looking for an apron for a very long time. I'm very into like natural organic cooking, and I do it all myself, so I need a good apron. It has to cover all of me. I like aprons that have pockets. This one has a pocket. And what also sold me on this apron was that it has polka dots. It was really cute. So, you know, it looks like a basic apron. But, okay, this is Kate Spade brand, so I don't know if all Kate Spade aprons have been like this. I don't know. I just know she makes really cute stuff. When you flip up the bottom of the apron, I can show you on mine, it has a measuring system, which I think is just so genius. For someone like me who hates math and has brain fog, I love that it just does the math for me. I think I got it for under 20 bucks, really good buy, and has come in very handy during the last few months, which is why it is covered in avocado. Oh, and I will have that shop link down below. I have saved the best for last. So this is another item from Poshmark, another thing I have been stalking for a while, and it is a light blue moto jacket. Check this bad boy out. The seller was absolutely amazing, and after I kind of looked into her, I realized she's a fellow fashion blogger, so it's like, no wonder she's so good with people. This jacket is in like new condition. The seller was amazing at getting me measurements, really fast responses, so helpful. She even made an offer, which I stupidly declined because I wasn't ready to buy it when she offered it to me. So I actually paid full price for it. But I don't mind because it is amazing. It is just the thing to fill the blue moto jacket hole in my closet. And just like all the others, I will absolutely have the seller linked down below. I would highly recommend that you check her out. She is a really great person. One last thing I wanted to mention is that I actually have gone thrifting. I went to one whole thrift store since things have started opening back up. It was just my local thrift store, and actually everything looked exactly the same as it had looked when I left it back in like February. So unfortunately I didn't buy anything. And then I went to a bunch of garage sales because as far as I know there's no regulations on garage sales. People can just sell out of their house, whatever. So I did a bunch of those. Again, didn't find anything. I did pick up a few things for my styling business, which if you don't know, I've been pursuing freelance personal styling, and if you want to check out my outfits that I'm creating, then I will have a link down below. It's currently being hosted on Poshmark. I started that back in April on Poshmark specifically because I wanted to gauge the interest, see if people want me to style them, which I think you guys do. So be sure to support that so that I know that that is a viable career option as I move forward. Okay, I think this has been a pretty good video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down below if you've been doing any thrifting, whether in person or online. I know thrift stores are pretty much open back up now. So tell me about your experiences. What are you finding? What's it like out there? And again, if you enjoy the content that I'm creating, then be sure to support it with following and liking and commenting and sharing it with your friends, all that good stuff. Hopefully I will see you around on the internet. And in the meantime, be excellent to each other.